Hi, in front of me is CAT S62 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, find clock, then open it and tap on alarm. Over here, click on the plus sign, set up an hour and click OK. Then click on repeat, pick days of the week, tap on vibrate to enable or disable vibrations, and when you're done, click at the icon located at the bottom right corner of the alarm settings. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. If you want to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!